This is the most slept on sneaker of 2025, and in today's video, we're going to find out why. Imagine stepping into a sneaker that blends high quality material, bold designs, and extreme comfort, all wrapped up in a collab that sneakerheads are already going crazy for. Well, that's exactly what we got with the Footpatrol Saucony Progrid Omni 9. If you're into sneakers that turn heads and tell a story, you're going to want to stick around for this one. Welcome back to TA Vlogs, where we break down the hottest sneaker drops, the latest sneaker collabs, and everything in between. Today, we are diving deep into the Footpatrol Saucony Progrid Omni 9, a sneaker that just dropped a couple weeks ago and is already making waves into the sneaker community. We're going to talk about who Footpatrol is, the designs and materials of this fire collab, and of course, whether or not they're worth adding to your collection. Let's get right into it. For those unfamiliar, Footpatrol is London's premier destination sneaker store, renowned for supplying some of the most exclusive kicks since 2002. They're not just a retail space, they're a culture hub for sneakerheads, constantly collaborating with top tier brands, bringing their unique designs to the market. Now, I cannot understand for the life of me why no one has made a review of this sneaker yet. Now, on YouTube, I do see some release date information and some pictures, but nothing too crazy. I don't see any in-hand looks, no reviews, no on-feet looks, nothing. So lucky for you, I'm going to be giving you guys that in-hand look, the detailed review of the materials, the colorway, the on-feet shots, all of that, everything you guys want to know about the sneaker is going to be inside of this video. Now for the sneaker itself, this was a fire collab. I knew I had to pick this up as soon as I saw initial images. Now they did have a smaller release over in London and Paris, but luckily for me, they decided to drop in the US, and as soon as that happened, I had to scoop it up. Now funny enough, this pair released on the same day as the Air Jordan 4 Brick by Brick Nigel Sylvester collab, and unfortunately I wasn't able to pick up that pair, but luckily for me, I was able to secure this beautiful sneaker, and honestly, I think this one might be even better. So let's go over some of the details on the box itself. The box is a majority blue box, or would I say tealish, because there's a little bit of a gradient from blue to teal on the top of the box, and we do have a little bit of a design on the box. For the upper right here, it is a flat. As we make our way down, it's kind of like a snake skin, a lizard skin pattern going throughout the box. Then we have the Saucony and Footpatrol logos in this chrome silver right here, and as well as we have the Saucony Originals logo, Footpatrol logo right here, more Saucony logo again, and Footpatrol logo as well. The branding on this box is going crazy, and I did go with a size 11 right there, as you can see by the size tag. Now, does this shoe have a color code on it? Yes, it does. It is blue/brown. Now, this sneaker did retail for $170, and I was lucky enough to pick this one up for retail because it did sell out overseas. So let's actually get our first look at it, and ooh, okay, Saucony Footpatrol, y'all went crazy. Wow, the pictures do not do it justice. This sneaker is crazy. So many different colors, so many different materials. Ooh, okay, so I'm already seeing something off the bat that I don't like. I do have a flaw right there. As you can see, I do have a little bit of a brown stain. Now, I don't know if it's that brown material from the sneaker that was rubbing up against it, but other than that, the paint looks good. No glue marks, nothing too crazy, no oversprays, no loose strings. That factory flaw, I do not like that. But let's go over some of the materials and some of the colorways that makes up the sneaker right here. We have hits of blues, teals, browns, creams, purple, white, and for some of the materials, we got meshes in the toe box around the side of the sneaker. We have synthetic leather on the ankle collar right here. This is crazy. We got some more synthetic leather wrapping around right there as well. We got some suedes on the back, and we have this beautiful iridescent like lace holes right here. It's almost like a wing logo, if you want to say. It's an iridescent oil spill, as you can see right there. When you look at it from a different angle, it gives off that purple, blue, greenish vibe going throughout. It is a semi-translucent for the lace holes right there. The tongue is made up of a black mesh, and okay, I didn't even see this in the images. We have the Footpatrol logo embossed in the tongue right there. The details are crazy, and the material feels amazing. Feels very premium, very A1. We do have some more branding of Footpatrol right there on the tongue itself. Footpatrol for Saucony. That is fire. We do have the Progrid Omni 9 outsole, which is amazing. You already know Saucony is coming with that comfort. So not only does this shoe look amazing, but you already know when you're wearing it, your feet are going to feel amazing as well. Now let's see, are they both the same? Any differences? Nope, they are both the same. We got that beautiful Saucony logo on the side of the sneaker. We have Omni 9 branding right here with the cracks going through it. The Saucony logo, of course, on the back of the heel tab right there. Progrid Omni 9. This sneaker, the box, the collab, doesn't lack any Saucony branding. There is a ton of Saucony branding throughout this sneaker. And one detail that I didn't quite notice from the images was this purple midfoot plate. It looks fire, and it definitely does add a nice look to the sneaker. And the blue for the mesh is almost an iridescent as well, kind of similar to the box. box. It is a teal colorway as it gets to a royal blue going throughout right there. Some of these colors you wouldn't think would normally go on paper, but when you throw them on this sneaker with all the panels, all the different materials, it just works for me. Now, like I said, this sneaker did retail for $170. I think I paid $180 after taxes and fees and all of that, but this sneaker is great and it is still available on some sizes on Saucony's website as well as a couple other websites. I'll make sure to throw them down in the description below if you want to check them out, because this sneaker is super slept on. I think this might be one of the most slept on sneakers of 2025 so far. Now, since this sneaker did release on the same day as the Air Jordan 4 Nigel Sylvester brick by brick, I think this shoe was completely overlooked and overshadowed by that drop. And honestly, if Saucony did some more marketing and promoted this shoe a little bit more, I think the people would like this shoe more than that Air Jordan 4 brick by brick, but that's just me. But let's get back to some of the other details on the sneaker itself. For the midsole, we have a tri-color midsole. It's hits of black, cream, and baby blue going throughout. And then as we wrap around to the outsole, we have a couple different colors on this outsole. We have a clear translucent outsole. We have some teal, black, brown, purple, cream, light blue. This outsole is going crazy. I'm telling y'all right now, this is one of the best sneakers to drop in 2025 so far, based off of the comfort, availability, price point, colorway, design. This sneaker has it all. Definitely do not sleep on the sneaker if you're looking to pick it up. Now, unfortunately, I don't think we were giving any extra laces. Let me check to see if it's inside of the box. Nope, nothing inside of the box. Now, I would have loved to be given the opportunity to have a couple extra laces with this sneaker. Not saying that the cream laces are bad in any way. I love that it matches the midsole perfectly, but I would have liked to have been given maybe a purple lace, a blue lace, even a brown lace to match some of the colors on the sneaker. But cream laces are perfectly fine, and I think it looks great. I just personally like the option to be able to change out my laces if I want to. Now, y'all already know on this channel we give every sneaker a rating from 1 to 10, and if I had to rate the Footpatrol Saucony Progrid Omni 9 out of 10, I'm going to give this sneaker a solid 9.2 out of 10. I think this sneaker is that great. Like I said, from the colorway, from the materials, from the details, the availability, the price point, I already know this shoe is going to be super cozy. And the fact that this shoe is super slept on, not a lot of people are going to be rocking this pair. So I know a lot of people are going to be rocking that Nigel Sylvester brick by brick, while I'll be having these Sauconys on my feet, so I'll be able to stand out. So for all those reasons, I think this sneaker is a near perfect sneaker. 9.2 out of 10. This sneaker is fire. If you guys are interested, don't sleep. Go to Saucony's website. Go to the other websites that I'm going to be linking down in the description box below. I think it's worth it. This sneaker is amazing. Saucony, Footpatrol, y'all did y'all thing. Colorway is amazing. I love this sneaker. One of the best sneakers of 2025. All right, y'all. Well, that's going to wrap up today's video. I hope you guys did enjoy. If you guys are new here, make sure you smash that subscribe button. And if you like today's content, make sure you smash that like button. Don't forget to check your boy out on Instagram and TikTok. Both of those links will be down in the description box below. And if you guys are looking to join up on the Discord, I highly recommend checking out my Discord. Top link down in the description box below. Come through as we continue to build a community over there. And of course, I'm going to get those on foot shots for y'all. So make sure y'all stay tuned to the end of the video. It's been your boy Tim. We'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.